Hello everybody, welcome back to the Biker Baker Show, and today we're going to make some pig shots. They are called pig shots, and some jalapeno poppers. Now first off, the pig shots, this is smoked sausage. You can use the andouille, is really good in it. It's a little spicy, I like that. And then some bacon. I cut the bacon into thirds. This is a third of a piece. And this is what we're going to do. We're going to take the smoked sausage and we're going to wrap it with that piece of bacon and put a toothpick in it. Okay, that's what we're going to start off with. But we're going to make the mixture first. I've got 8 ounces of cream cheese here. I've got a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, put that in there, and I got a little bit of cayenne right here. We're going to stick that down in there because we want a little bit of spice. And this same mixture I'm going to use for the jalapenos and the pig shots. So you don't have to change it up. You can just use the same thing. I'm going to mix that all up together first. I'm going to put a little bit of salt in there. And how about some red pepper flakes? We'll try that. We do want a little bit of spice. Might as well. You're having jalapenos. Might as well have some spice too. Extra. So we're going to mix this up here. The cream cheese has to be softened or it won't work very well. Now I've got a cup of cheddar cheese here. We're just going to pour that in there. Can't have too much cheese. And it's a life. I just splattered it all over the table, of course. Trying to show you, hold the bowl. I'm going to put the bowl here so I can stir it up a little bit. You don't need me stirring it up on my chest. Okay. That looks like it's mixed up good enough. Good enough for me anyway. I'm perfectly imperfect. That's how we live our life. Alright, first off, we're going to start with these pig shots. Cut these in about a 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch, however big you want them. You can use the thick bacon. The thick bacon, to me, it doesn't wrap around this very easy, so I always just buy the regular for this. Wrap it around, stick your toothpick through it, and that holds that up a little bit. Just do this around the bottom.
So you're just making a pocket to hold your mixture.
So mix the cream cheese in, hold it in there. And they're not always ever going to be perfect. So you just have to work with it the way it is. Like I say in about every video, we just wing it. We don't do anything just perfect. As you can see, I already flipped cheese everywhere. But if I don't do something silly in every video, then it's not my video. Okay, so there's those. And we're going to fill it. I have washed my hands because I'm going to have to use my hands to take this out of here and put these in here. I've tried using the baggies, cutting the end off. That never works for me. Not even to make icing. I'm not very good at that. So we're just going to slip some of that right down in that little hole there. This mixture is stiff. Now your bacon, when you put it in the oven, if you want to get it really crispy, then your pig shots are going to be cream cheese is going to turn really dark. But your bacon is already done after about 25 minutes or 20 minutes in the oven. I do them at 375. Now Mr. Smith, he always does them on the smoker for me because you can do these as low carb, which everything right now we're using is low carb in it. But he likes a little bit of barbecue sauce on his. And you can also get low carb barbecue sauce, sugar free, if you want to use that. So this recipe here on both these items here are low carb. Now we're going to do some jalapeno poppers. I already cleaned the jalapenos and washed them, de-seeded them. And we're just going to use the same mixture that we have right here. Just put that in there. Just spoon her in there, good as you can get it. I know some videos there are all perfect and everything. Not ours. That's how we do things. And why I'm filling these, I want to talk about my new shirt here from a local biker club. They acquired it. They gave it to me. It's from the Kings. And here's the back, if you can see it.
You move your hair out of the way.
And
there you go.
They're in Ohio, located in Ohio. And they do charity work like all clubs do. So motorcycle people, gangs, not gangs, but members, they get a bad rap sometimes of being bad people. But they do a lot of charity work for people in need and like clothing drives, coats, and Christmas for kids.
Toy runs.
Yeah, they do all kinds of charity work. But they get a bad rap sometimes just because they wear leather and ride a bike. But they're all good people. Mr. Smith's got a Road King, and I have a 85 Sportster in the shed that I haven't gotten out for a while, but I'm trying to debate on whether we're going to fix it up or sell it. All right, so now we got those filled. We're going to put some bacon on it here. This is just bacon crumbles that we've already fried up and chopped up. My sous chef, Mr. Smith, chopped it up for me this morning. All right, we're going to put that on there. And now these are ready to go in the oven. I got it at 375, and we're going to bake them. The jalapeno poppers will be done in about 20 minutes, but I didn't see doing two videos. We'll just do them all at the same time. We're using the same cream cheese mixture. So I'm going to put these in the oven, and we'll come back in 20 minutes and check it. Hello everybody, we're back, and I took out the jalapeno poppers and the pig shots, and this is what they look like. These took about 20 minutes. This was about a half an hour, and 5 minutes before I took them out, I brushed them with some barbecue sauce. The Sweet Baby Ray's sweet and spicy. Yummy. So this stuff here you can take, like when you're having a picnic or anything, make them ahead, little hors d'oeuvres or little bites. Everybody loves them. Okay, so watch out for the motorcycles and support your local MC because they do charity work for everybody. They don't just pick and choose. It's for everybody. So look at our things that we made. Mr. Smith made this for me. Charcuterie board with the logo on it. Isn't that nice? And I made this towel. All right, so if you liked this, like, subscribe, share, and leave them below. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker Show. Peace out.